Hi, it's Emily from WTI. Basically, I need a lot of snacks to be happy, and I'm also trying to live a keto lifestyle, and that can be complicated, but these make it easy. These are the Southern Recipe Spicy Dill Pork Rinds, or chicharrones. These are the perfect snack if you're looking for something crunchy, tasty, a little bit of zing, a little bit of spice, and super low carb. In fact, they only have 2 carbs per serving. I love the flavor of these. They are so crunchy. When you're looking for that really satisfying crunch in a snack, but you don't want to have all the carbs of potato chips or pretzels, this is the perfect alternative. I mean, just listen to this crunch. Perfect. These pork rinds make the perfect snack for dips, for snacking between meals, to accompany another low carb main portion. You can even crush some up and make it like a keto breading for chicken or other meats. You can see that the portion that you get in this bag is quite generous. So for one serving, you have plenty to snack on and you're not going to be left feeling hungry or unsatisfied. I think this company really nailed it with this spicy dill flavor. It's not so spicy that it's going to leave your mouth burning, but it definitely has a bit of zing. I think these are perfect to have on the go. I keep a few bags in my car, and that way I don't get off track from my dietary goals and stop and get fast food, because if I get hungry, I can just grab one of these and totally curb my snacking and cravings. These are a great snack. They work perfect for a keto or low carb lifestyle. I absolutely love them, and I think you will too. But that's my point of view.